So Garan, first game of the season, how does it feel to be back on the hardwood?
Yeah, this is all the time what we spent for practice. Now we want to show what we're doing before in pre-season. So we are exciting. We have young team. We're working hard, good. So Keflavik is a serious team for us in that moment. But actually, I think we enjoy.
Skandinavur with a new coach, a lot of new parts going into this season. How do you feel the team is coming together?
Yes, like every beginning, we need the time. So the team need the time, club need the time, coach need the time. So I hope in the end of the league, so how they turn the league, we try to play better and better.
Anything you're happy with from this game?
Look, I'm not happy because we lost the game. But you know, I know what I have in my team. There is a lot of kids, so 14, 15 years old, so they need the time. And as I told you, if we improve every game, that was a big good season for us and good job for us.
Icelandic champions at home, next game. How will you prepare for that one?
Look, we start from first day when I came to prepare for all the teams. Actually, Valur is one of the top team in Iceland, so for sure not be easy for us. But as I told, we will try to do it as best as we can. And if we improve in one things, what we're doing on the practice will be good. It will be good for us.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.